Hi, welcome back to our channel. Last video we were trying to remove the tint, which we did accomplish, but we also ruined the defroster. So in this video we'll show you how to repair it using a simple kit or pencil or marker, any choice you like. Just make sure it's not permanent. And that's pretty much it. Also have patience because this job is tedious, and do it in the shade for you won't be in the hot sun. And that's pretty much it. So these are the products we're going to be using for the repair. We have a defroster repair kit. The things are inside: a pencil or marker and a tester. And try to avoid skin contact. We're going back to our progress. See, we grab the pencil, we mark all over the windshield. And what you're looking for are little disconnections going on the defroster. You can see it right here. There's little disconnection going on. You're going to have to mark it. See a little difference in color. Just mark it. Let me see if I can find another one on camera. There's another one right here, tiny little one here. You mark it around. When you're inside, you can see it clearly, but when you don't mark anything, you can't see anything at all. So this is the tape that he's using that came in the kit. You can see in the windshield we were putting the tape where we marked it with a pencil. You gotta do this in the bottom and top of the defroster line. It's a simple fix, but it is tedious, so that's one part of all the windshield. This is our progress so far. We have finished here, here, and here. Our next step will be using the kit to repair the defroster lines. Right now we have the chemicals for the defroster. You can clearly see that we're adding some to the defroster line. It's going to take patience, a lot of patience, and a steady hand. Once you're finishing adding, you're going to scrape it up with a little putty that's included in the kit, as you see here. And after that, you are going to end up removing the tape. You do these steps for the whole windshield. It's going to take time. So this is how the finished product looks like. You can see we have finished the defroster lines here, here, here. We do have a little bit of overspill and little things there and there, but you have to wait 24 hours before you turn it on. In addition, you have to wait another 24 hours before you clean it. If you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe and share us on your social media, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you have. It will help us out a lot.